Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Rides Review Hub. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you're a fan of raw power, aggressive design, and relentless performance, then the 2025 raw power sports car is going to blow your mind. In a world where automakers are moving toward electric motors and automated driving, this machine dares to push back, delivering old school muscle with new school tech. Let's dive into what makes the 2025 raw power a true icon for car enthusiasts everywhere. A statement on wheels. The 2025 raw power isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's a middle finger to mediocrity and a love letter to the golden era of supercars. From the moment you hear the guttural growl of its exhaust to the second you hit the throttle, you'll realize this isn't your average performance vehicle. This car was built to be driven, not just displayed. Design of the raw power looks like it could tear up the track even while standing still. With a low-slung chassis, widened stance, and aerodynamic aggression sculpted into every curve, it's clear this car was built for performance. The front grille is massive and flanked by razor-thin LED headlights, giving it an intimidating stare. Carbon fiber panels reduce weight, while the rear diffuser and active spoiler ensure this beast stays grounded even at blistering speeds. Inside, the cabin is driver-focused. Bucket seats hug your body, a digital cockpit keeps critical data in sight, and minimal distractions keep your eyes on the road. Every inch of the interior screams performance, with suede, leather, and exposed carbon detailing throughout. Engine and performance. The heart of the beast lies a hand-built 6.2L twin-turbo V8 engine pushing out an earth-shattering 750 horsepower and 720 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 try 2.8 seconds. Top speed 215 miles per hour. Whether you're launching off the line or screaming down a highway, the raw power delivers exactly what its name promises. It's mated to an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, giving you lightning-fast gear changes and full control through paddle shifters. The exhaust note is brutal, growling at low RPMs and howling like a banshee as you redline. And it's not just loud, it's tuned to perfection, giving you an auditory experience that few other cars can match. Handling precision in chaos. Despite all the brute force, the 2025 raw power isn't just about straight-line speed. It's been engineered for precision. The adaptive suspension reads the road in real time and adjusts on the fly. Electronic stability and torque vectoring keep you glued to the asphalt, whether you're carving canyons or dominating the track. It rides on ultra-wide performance tires and features carbon ceramic brakes for unmatched stopping power. The steering is tight and responsive, giving you a direct connection to the road. You'll feel every bump, every curve, every drift, but in the best way possible. Technology. Modern muscle. This is not a throwback car living in the past. The 2025 raw power is packed with modern tech. A high-res digital dash, HUD, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a bespoke performance telemetry app make it both intelligent and connected. Driver assist features like blind spot monitoring and collision alerts are included, but they stay quietly in the background. This car wants you to drive, not the other way around. Limited production price. Here's the catch: this beast isn't for everyone. Only 2,000 units will be made globally. Each one is hand-assembled, numbered, and customizable with a range of performance upgrades and exclusive finishes. The starting price $185,000, but let's be honest, if you're buying this car, it's not about price, it's about passion. The 2025 raw power sports car is not just a machine, it's a celebration of everything that makes driving thrilling. It's raw, it's loud, it's unapologetically powerful. In a market shifting toward silence and autonomy, RAW power reminds us of the visceral joy of horsepower, grip, and the open road. So, if you're ready to unleash the beast and experience performance in its purest form, the 2025 raw power is waiting. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Safe ride, take care, goodbye.